Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to show you how to change a cabin filter on this 2019. It's a Honda HRV. It's a very simple procedure. Don't let the dealer do it. You can save yourself a few bucks and do it yourself. Anybody can do this. First thing you want to do, obviously, is get yourself the filter. Whether you're going to go with the OEM or you're going to go with an aftermarket filter, that's personal preference. In this particular case, I'm going to be using the OEM filter, but let's go inside. The filter is actually located on the right side of the dashboard where the glove compartment is located. We're going to take the glove compartment, push the two tabs in, pull the glove compartment out slightly. We're going to unhook a little hook on the side, that's a retractor, and then we're going to pull the glove compartment down and we'll take that filter out. All right, enough talking. Let's get in there. Let's get this job done. Should take you all of about 5 minutes. Come on. Okay, so remember, it's up inside here, so we're just going to take this. We're going to open up the glove compartment just like this. We're going to come over to this side right here. Let me bring you in there. I'll show you what I mean. Underneath here, you see that little lever right there. We're going to take this little lever here, and we're just going to take it and disconnect it. Okay, and this piece here right here, this is the retractor arm that keeps it from going too far. We need to remove this from the outside part of the glove compartment. And the way you do that is just take this piece right here, push it down towards the floor, and it pops off. So let's do that. It's a little tough to do one-handed. Okay, and basically what you do is that piece, that hook right there, unhooks down underneath the bottom right here. All right, so we'll just put that up out of the way just like that. And now we're going to come in over here. We're going to push this piece in here, and we're going to push this piece in here, and we'll remove it. Okay, so we grab it here and here, and we pull it in this way, just like this, and the glove box opens up just like that. And now I'll bring you in there and I'll show you what the other piece looks like in there. Okay, and that's the filter right inside there. Okay, now we have the glove compartment down and out of the way. We're going to come up underneath here. We're going to take that little tab right there, push it in, take this cover right here, push that tab in as well, take this out, pull our filter out, just like this. And we're going to grab our replacement filter now and put it back together. Okay, now we have our replacement filter. We're going to take the filter, just slide it in here, just like this. Push it all the way back in. You'll feel it slide all the way in. Make sure that your arrow is facing the correct direction. You can see airflow is going down, and that's how the air is flowing down through there. We take our cover, put it back over the top like this, and like this, push it, and it locks in place. We'll take this out. Take our glove compartment, lift it up, push it in, and goes in there. And the last thing we're going to do is come up underneath here. Right, take our little hook like that, pull it down like this, put it on here, push it up, lock it in place, close it up, That's it. We're all done. All right, so that's it. Cabin filter is fairly easy. So don't let the dealer charge you to put a cabin filter in. Put it in yourself. Save yourself a few bucks. And that's it. We're all done. Now, I will tell you this, that if you take that cabin filter out and there's a lot of leaves and debris up on top of there and they fall down inside the blower motor itself, take your regular house vacuum cleaner and you can vacuum out any kind of leaves or debris that can be in there, because sometimes the leaves fall into that squirrel cage down there and you'll get like a rubbing type noise where the leaves are being chewed up on the squirrel cage. So if there's a lot of debris on top, vacuum it out before you put it back together. But that's it. Job's done and out the door. All right, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.